Omo yoma na gojoko kwa deductions, if I may remind you, Mama Count, because you are a teacher. This knife takes away pay as you earn, takes away housing levy, takes away NHIF, takes away mukate, takes away house rent, takes away family issues. At the end of the day, huyu mwalimu wa JSS and others in the primary were on contract, not contract, really on internship. At the end of the day, they remain with something like 4,000 to 3,500 per month as net pay, which is not even worth the lunch you give me today. You see, we sympathize. Kwa hivyo tafadhalini mama, au walimu wetu, mukienda katika ile kamati yenu ya elimu, think about them, discuss them, let all of them be taken to permanent basis. Hata hakuna haja ya kuajiri walimu wengine on the same internship before you take the ones you have on permanent what? Permanent basis. And I know you are able, I'm sure you will do it. Alafu kuna barua wengine walipewa, which is normal, show cause letter why you were not in class. With you, you know, you have been involved in several industrial actions. Those teachers were not on strike. They were demonstrating. They were exercising their democratic rights as per the Constitution of Kenya. So walikuwa wanatoka, wanaenda wana demonstrate, then back to class. So ile mambo ya show cause letters, we should hear you rubbishing them as early as yesterday. Kindly, ile haitaki kusikika eti mwalimu anaambiwa show cause letter why you went to the street to ask for being taken to permanent basis. Otherwise, I don't want to take much. For this, once again, I thank you and we want to support you. Na aye, miaka 10 ya isanire, ukoro kwa Mokunguwe County. Miaka 10 ya isanire. Etora tukoro kenge kanena buyake. Yes, we want to call you a bigger name. We want to call you the boss of the county. And that one, be sure, we shall support you and we shall always support you. We shall be having annual general meetings across the county. All the branches, we have 8 branches in Nyamira County. These are your branches. Kindly attend them. Kindly support where you can. Like now, Manga will be having their annual general meeting on 26th of this month. Let your BA take note of that and remind you. Omo BA as ya ono ko remind mamanga abani mumba tebete togete. Nejinde till we finish the 8 branches. We thank you for this function. Lastly, on behalf of the County Education Board in Nyamira, on behalf of the County Education Board, we want to thank you for supporting education, and we want to ask you to ask your colleague parliamentarians and members of the County Assembly to continue supporting education to higher heights. Thank you and may God bless.